I got it about perfect. What you just seen is I measured at the bottom 210.5, 1 foot off the ground, and I measured at eye level 210.5. Just mocked up the gate. I didn't record that because that was a little bit of a hassle, having to stack these boards to get the gate level all the way through the post like that. And I'm about to drill a 3/4 inch hole. The bit is getting so hot in there and it can't pull all the sawdust out. Okay, so this next step, we got both holes, the top and the bottom, already drilled all the way through the post. So here we got the hardware. You want to run the nut near to the end of the threads there, not all the way, because you want to have a little bit room for adjustment. You want to have your washer right there, and it should be a tight fit if you drilled your hole correctly. So this one kind of got a push. There's going to be the top hinge. You want that to be perfectly center, and then when you come out on the other side, you want it to be nice and center. So you don't want to come out the pole crooked there. We'll check all your levels before you hang the gate. So the hinges, got the level on that hinge at the bottom. And then you can see my bubble right there. Ready?
Yep.
Just a couple more turns on this bottom one. And alrighty, so I got the gate open, and you can see I'm still supporting the gate because the concrete has only been in there less than a week. Alrighty, so everything you see here I got laid out. This is going to be the post for the keypad. I just changed it and put a brand new blade on my saw there. So this is going to be for the turnbuckle for the post, to keep the post from sagging for outdoor. Then I'm going to try something. I don't know if it's going to work, but this is a 15-inch. It's an earth anchor. It's basically to hold down like a carport, a shed. On the website it says mobile home. I think you'd need one a little bit longer for a mobile home, but anyways, that's going to be the ground. This right here is going to be for the post. And I bought some washers for this. 79 inches. You see me marking it all the way around. I will have to make several cuts because all I have is a skill saw. It's heavy. Alright, that don't look too bad. Not too bad. I've got my 2 posts cut. That one, of course, is going to go in the ground, and then that's going to be the little keypad, the piece that sticks out about a foot. So it's a little challenging to get this lined up without a clamp or anything, so I just put that board right there, and hopefully I can make this work. Not too bad. So I did drill these so it wouldn't split. Luckily this post is not nearly as heavy. And this process, you can also wash the pole off. Alrighty, for this next step right here, I'm going to be installing a turnbuckle and cable system that supports this main pole. Okay, so it's a pretty sharp point right there. These are sharpened a little bit so it'll cut through the dirt, but I'm not so sure if I hit a rock, this thing's probably going to stop. I probably should put it in an angle a little bit that way because this is going to pull. So you want to keep the drill nice and level and straight side to side. If your drill bit is too short to get through a pole, which is not much, you can use a extension with just a screw. So what I'm going to do is center up this screw, just perfectly center, and screw it in and see where it comes out on this side, and then that's going to be my marker hole, and then I'll drill it on this side center. So in theory that should work. Never tried this before. So I've got my screw perfectly in the center of the hole right there. And you want to make sure your drill is level. Look at there. This next step is to take this. I got my washer on there, and oh, it's tight. Well, that'll work. I think this will make that stronger too, because it's like that's threaded through the hole. So we got the cable. It's like all the hardware. My favorite part, cut the cable. Thanks for watching, and like, subscribe, enjoy the videos. You're gonna see a whole lot more outdoor content just like this coming. you're gonna see me putting up a Tarter gate and also installing an automatic gate opener by Ghost Controls. That's coming soon. Thanks for watching. All that work paid off.